Hey y'all, happy Tuesday. So we're going to make homemade keto ice cream. It's going to have no sugar, but it will have vanilla and coconut cream and heavy cream. I took the kids earlier today to our local farm, Sensational. If you haven't gone, you need to go. They have amazing produce, fresh squeezed orange juice, and ice cream. And my kids wanted ice cream, and I said, no, let's go home and I'll make you some because we're a sugar-free home. And there's so many options out there to create amazing desserts and little treats that are healthier options and can also keep my kiddos happy. So let's get into the kitchen and I'm going to show you how I'm going to adapt and make from scratch my own ice cream. All right, guys, I started by adding a can of organic heavy coconut cream and a 1/4 cup of heavy whipping cream. To that, I added 1 teaspoon of vanilla and mixed it up really well. Started incorporating everything together and really getting some bubbles and aerating the liquid. Okay, to the liquid I added 1/4 cup of Swerve. I used the confectionery version, but you're more than welcome to use a granulated sweetener of your choice. And I mixed everything really well and incorporated. However, I didn't like the consistency, so I added another 1/4 cup of heavy whipping cream, and it just wasn't whipping the way that I wanted, so I ended up adding another 1/4 cup of heavy whipping cream. I initially was trying to get a more whipped topping consistency, and at that point my kids needed me, so I put it in the KitchenAid, and this mixed for quite a while, probably 5 minutes. Once it reached a pudding consistency, I froze it overnight, and this is what it looks like in the morning. Okay guys, so it's the next day. The ice cream is extremely hard. It's not really scoopable, but it's definitely spoon worthy. And so I sprinkled a little cinnamon on top. Kind of makes me think of like maybe like a chai or something. And so let's give it a try. Wow. It's kind of like a cross between a hard ice cream and an icy. So I guess maybe if you were to order a gelati, how you get the icy and the cream together, it's kind of that consistency. It's not too sweet, but it's sweet enough. And I don't know, I kind of like that there's some melty parts, but then there's also like a crunch. This is a great addition to an ice cream, so give it a try.